Hey everyone, I am here today to unbox or unbag the February 2020 Delilah box. If you have been watching my videos of my unboxings for Delilah box, it is a subscription box with biblical fiction books for women. And they actually will include little other things like tea, candies, little whatnots, sometimes little self-care items. So this one is for February. And you wouldn't be able to tell by the really cute Charlie Brown cotton drawstring bag that everything comes in. If you've never seen the Delilah box before, every month you will get a drawstring bag. So it's not actually like a box, but it is a subscription box, but it doesn't come in a box. So they actually come in these really cute little drawstring bags. So this one is peanuts for this month. So I have not really gone through this yet, so I wanted to go ahead and see. So the first thing, it says February Delilah box, and it tells you the two books that we have in here. Then we have herbal tea. We have a bookmark, music sheet, hymnal for journaling. Ooh, that's nice. Drawstring tea bags, a notepad and a red pen, Valentine drawstring bag, which I just showed you is the Charlie Brown one, postcard and candy, and then the brochure. So let's keep going. So this is a handmade bookmark, and that's really, really cute. I'm really impressed with that. That's adorable. I always need bookmarks because I'm always stealing them from my daughter. So here are the little tea bags. I'm assuming that this is because I was given loose leaf tea in here somewhere. So I will keep going to look. This is the postcard that they were saying on there, so I'm going to lay that right there. Okay, this is a tea blend, so that must be in the bottom, but it tells you everything that's in it, which is nice. My daughter, she likes to drink tea. She is a tea drinker. Then here is a notepad. I know you're thinking, what about the books? I'm getting to them. But again, I only have one hand. Okay, so for February's book, one of the books, is Shelter of the Most High by Connellan Cassette. And I'm really impressed with this one because I have read the others in this series, the first one and the third one. So this was the only one that I didn't have. So I'm impressed. I want to read this one. And then here's the other book, The Audacious Molly Bruno, Amazing Stories from the Life of a Powerful Woman of Prayer. That one looks great. And let's see here. There's more things in here. So here are the old hymnal pages for journaling. This one is the same thing that I just showed you. Let's see here. It looks like I've got little decals. Little decals in here. Oh, yeah. Bible journaling items can be used by cutting around them and peel and stick in your Bible or journal. Cool. And then here's more Bible journaling. Oh, that's neat. I've never actually Bible journaled before. And then right here is the little brochure that tells you February 2020. And then we've got candy, which my daughter will love. And then we have a pen. So I'm really impressed. I love everything that came in this box. Well, you know, the bag. But this is for February. So everything was so cute and so pink. And I'm really impressed with this book. I just finished reading the first one in the series. I've already read the third one because I had it, but I didn't have the second one. So I'm really excited to actually look at how this ends in this book and how the third one would have carried on for this one too, on the same story. So again, this is the Delilah box for February 2020. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys, if you want to subscribe, I would definitely go and check them out online. They have a Facebook page, and then they also, when you subscribe, they have a private Facebook group that you can be a part of. and you can talk with other subscribers and check out what they've gotten and some of their ideas. And that's actually cool for the Bible journaling because I've never Bible journaled before, so I would love to see some ideas of other people and what they've done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.